Hi, welcome to our next junior number video. We're going to chat about simple and compound interest. When investors place money into investments like banks, they are often paid interest, which is money paid for investing with them. Now, an investor is just a person like you and me that could put money into our bank for saving. Could be people who put money into houses or stock markets or share prices, any type of investment. And often they're paid interest, which is a thank you for investing with them. There are different ways to pay this interest, but two of the more common ways are simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest. Simple interest is a set amount paid each period. So say every month you get a same amount of interest paid every month. Compound interest. Compound interest is interest that is paid on an amount in a given period and then interest paid on the new amount in the next period. So say you get given a set amount in the first month of interest, then in the next month you'll be getting a different amount because you'll have a new amount of money in there. Right, let's look at some examples to explain this and show you how to calculate these. Stefano is deciding to invest $4,700 of his savings into a bank which will pay him 3.5% simple interest every 6 months. He's planning to leave this invested for 3 years. How much money will he have after 3 years? Now we've got $4,700 and an interest rate of 3.5%. Now it's simple interest. So first thing we're going to do is work out 3.5% of 4,700. So 3.5 divided by 100 times 4,700 gives us 3.5% of $4,700 is $164.50. Now let's have a look at this diagram. This dot represents when he puts the money into the bank, 0. After 6 months, he gets paid his first amount of interest, which is $164.50. After another 6 months, he gets paid $164.50. That's 1 year. After another 6 months, that's another $164.50. After another 6 months, another $164.50. After another 6 months, there's another $164.50. And after 3 years, there's his next amount of interest. You can see that he's been paid 6 times, 6 periods over the 3 years. So what we need to do is just go $164.50 times 6 gives us a total of $987 in interest. And he's going to have $5,987 altogether after 3 years. Right, example 2. Stefano has seen a second investment with a company that offers compound interest. The company will offer Stefano an interest rate of 8% a year over 3 years. Remember, he has $4,700 to invest. So 8% of 4,700, let's work that out. And that gives us $376 of interest in the year because it's per year. So after 1 year, 4,700 plus 376 gives us $5,076. Now, what we're going to do now is work out 8% of the new amount. So 8% of 5,076. That gives us $406.08. Now, if we add that on to the 5,076, our new amount gives us $5,482.08. That's after 2 years. Remember, he's getting 8% of the current amount or the new amount every year. So if we carried on and went into our 3rd year, we have to work out 8% of $5,482.08, and that gives us $438. We'll round it to 57 cents. And if we added that on, that'll give us $5,920.65 after 3 years. Now there's quite a cool little trick to do on a calculator to do this example again a little quicker. And that is just to go 4,700 times 1.08, because that increases by 8%, and just times it by 1.08 again, and times by 1.08 again. Great. Thanks for watching.